It's likely your fleet is the biggest expense in your business. With little visibility, costs can escalate quickly, with earning ability and customer service suffering. Introducing MoreFleet, the newest and simplest way to track and manage your fleet. MoreFleet provide the most advanced and vital fleet management tools to ensure you maximize your fleet's potential and stay way ahead of competitors. Your MoreFleet system is ready to use straight out the box for maximum simplicity and speed. Your hub is set up in advance with no software to download. Just log in to your MoreFleet hub or phone app. You'll easily navigate around your mapping panel and immediately understand the features. All companies with vehicles know how important a fleet system is, but you may be put off by long contracts and minimum terms. With MoreFleet, there are no contracts, just a rolling monthly service with the best price from day one. Now you've seen how much your company will benefit from the MoreFleet system, it's time to get you started. If you would like a demo of the panel or have any questions, then call our MoreFleet team anytime. You could even have your entire fleet up and tracking by this time tomorrow.